What would potluck dinner parties be without the variations of casserole dishes? Hands down, the tuna casserole is a favorite of the dining crowd. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a delicious tuna casserole that will bring guests back for second helpings. Start by bringing approximately 6 cups of water to a boil. Once it is boiling, add 1 1/3 cups of macaroni to it. I used elbow macaroni. Let the macaroni boil to the minimum amount of time recommended on the packaging. The macaroni I used said 8 minutes. Don't overcook to the point where the noodles are mushy. You want them to keep their shape. Stir occasionally to ensure the noodles don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Once it has finished, remove from the heat and strain. Then run cold water over the cooked macaroni. Begin by shredding 1 cup of medium cheddar cheese into a bowl. There are various models of cheese graters available, including safety shields. But I'm using a standard grater, so it is important to take special care and proceed with caution. Set the cheese aside and grab a 1.5 quart casserole dish. In it, place the cooked macaroni. To the macaroni, add 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, a 1/4 cup of milk, a can of tuna, a can of sliced mushroom pieces, and finally add your previously shredded cheddar cheese. Begin mixing all of the ingredients together. Make sure you have coated the macaroni as much as possible with the mushroom soup. Use your spoon or spatula to fold and coat all of the macaroni in the dish. Try your best to make sure there isn't any dry-looking macaroni. You may be concerned that there isn't enough sauce, and if you really think you need more liquid, just add more cream of mushroom soup. After you're sure you have all the macaroni nicely coated, don't forget to distribute the macaroni evenly into the pan again. Cover the casserole dish with aluminum foil or a lid and place in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. In the meantime, take a package of frozen broccoli that has been thawed and chop it into coarse pieces. Don't over-chop the broccoli because you want to be able to taste it. Set the chopped broccoli aside and prepare the top coating of your casserole dish. Prepare a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs in a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of butter that has been melted in the microwave to it. Stir together the breadcrumbs and butter until the breadcrumbs are well coated. After 20 minutes, Take the casserole out of the oven. Carefully remove the aluminum foil or lid and add the chopped broccoli. Fold the broccoli into the macaroni mixture, trying your best to integrate it throughout the casserole dish. I have had my fair share of burnt fingers, so don't forget to put on an oven mitt or use a tea towel to hold the hot casserole dish. Now, using a spatula, distribute the macaroni mixture evenly throughout the dish. Add the buttered breadcrumbs using your fingers to evenly sprinkle the crumb topping over the casserole mixture. I have seen some people use crushed potato chips as the top coating, which is a great substitute for the breadcrumbs. Once the breadcrumbs are evenly distributed, return the dish to the oven for another 30 minutes. There you have it, tuna casserole that tastes as good as it looks. Whether you take it to your next potluck dining experience, welcome a new neighbor, or simply make it for your meal tonight, this tuna casserole is sure to please everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.